All right, so AI is becoming a big part of how we do our everyday jobs. It can be useful, but it can also be really scary. When it comes to real estate specifically, I think it's a combination of scary and useful. And I was able to strike a good balance recently with a client that needed a real estate walkthrough video. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about how I use ChatGPT to script a video, and I think it absolutely nailed it. Let's get started. What's good, everybody? Ken here. You're watching Original Adobo. I am a real estate videographer, photographer out of Tampa, Florida. And in today's video, we're talking about using AI to script your real estate walkthrough videos. So real estate walkthrough videos, most of the time can be pretty boring because there isn't anybody talking about it. They lack character because the agent isn't confident enough to typically be on camera. That's most instances. Another instance could be is the fact that they're going to put this out to MLS. And unfortunately, in most situations, you're not allowed to have an agent in the video if it is going on MLS. This video that we were designing was going to specifically be shared on social media. And because it was going to be on social media, we were able to do something entirely different than we typically do for something being shared to MLS. So this client hit me up a couple of weeks ago, wanted this, sort of over the top video with him on camera. And we tried filming it. And unfortunately, we had so many outtakes, we ran so far behind, I had to get to another shoot, and then it started raining. So we put a pin in the video, and I really didn't think anything of it until I was driving through Tampa last weekend, and I hit him up and I said, hey, do you want to try to refilm this video on Monday of last week? He said, yeah, sure. Send me over a script on Monday and I'll take a look at it and we can go ahead and film it. So Monday rolls around, he hits me up, it was like 7:30 in the morning. Hey, you got that script ready? I was like, oh my God, I didn't have any time to prepare a script. Initially, I thought I could write a script out, but it was gonna take way too long to do it. So I took the listing description, popped it into ChatGPT, and it spit me out what I would say is pretty much close to a perfect script. So much so, it even pre-planned my B-roll. Now I had to make a couple of edits to it, but ultimately, this was the result that I got from that script.
I'm Frankie Ritchie, and this is the pinnacle of South Tampa living. Step inside and be amazed by the architectural beauty crafted by Superior Tampa Architects. This home spans just over 1,600 square foot and luxury features throughout. On the first level, you'll find high ceilings, luxury wood floors, and elegant Satori Calicotta tile. This sun-drenched kitchen is an absolute chef's dream. This kitchen further features polished stone countertops, shaker cabinets, and high-end stainless steel appliances. This kitchen flows seamlessly into the living room and dining area. This living and dining area exemplifies modern sophistication with ample windows that fill the space with natural light. Nearby, you'll find a stylish half bath for all of your guests' comfort. Let's go up the staircase and head up to the second level, where two large guest bedrooms await, completed with spacious closets and a full bathroom offering a custom wood vanity, polished stone, and a shower tub combo. This floor also features a Nest thermostat, which can be adjusted from any floor or even right from your cell phone. Finally, we've arrived to the third floor that houses the primary suite. Primary suite also features a walk-in closet along with an ensuite bathroom boasting Satori Calicotta tile, a custom wood double vanity, and a luxurious walk-in shower. This luxury townhouse is completed with your very own tandem 2-car garage for your convenience and security. Are you ready for a lifestyle change? Then 2217 Soho Bay Court awaits you. Well, the question is, are you ready for Soho? I'm Frankie Ritchie, and are you ready to live in the pinnacle of South Tampa? No, that was worse.
Don't do that again.
What? That looks stupid as shit.
That looks stupid as shit. Don't do that.
All right. Dude. Yeah, my bad.
Alrighty, so the only thing that the video didn't give me was the outtakes. And ultimately, him and I decided that we wanted to add outtakes to this video to increase the authenticity of the video and just, it fits his vibe. Him and I have a very similar personality. So I thought that that would be a cool thing to add because we never see the outtakes. We only ever see this perfect polished result. And personally, I think it just added a really interesting finish to the video, and it made people stick around and watch the entire video, which was pretty cool. I think he absolutely nailed it. We had a lot less outtakes. Most of the outtakes were cut down to like 1 or 2, which is very, very simple. We used a script that we both had on our phone on the iCloud Notes, which I was able to see edits that he was making, and he was able to see edits that I was making to the scripts. Like I said, we had to really change just a couple of things. For some reason, ChatGPT wanted to put the garage scene like right in the very beginning, which didn't really make much sense. So ultimately, we had to switch some of that stuff around. But for the most part, it absolutely nailed it. And that's just using the listing description itself to generate this video overall, which I thought was pretty cool. All right, a couple of things to keep in mind when it comes to ChatGPT. Sometimes it won't have the most up-to-date information on a listing, so you have to be careful. It's very important to read whatever it is that it spits out. I gave it a very specific prompt. I told it I wanted a simplistic real estate walkthrough video script based upon the information that I plugged in, which was basically copying, pasting the listing description. So from there, that's how I was able to get the script. And like I said, you got to provide it in a manner to your client that they can easily digest it. And that's exactly what it does. It sort of segments it up, and I think it works awesome. For the most part, I think AI is fantastic if it's used in this way. Now, it is getting pretty scary because AI can literally replace a lot of things that humans normally do. But I think in most instances, it can be used to just enhance already existing experiences such as this to give a client confidence. And not only that, but give us a little bit more efficiency. But overall, let me know what you think of that video. It was the first time I've ever done anything like that, and I think it came out pretty decent. I'm gonna try it with some other clients to see how it works for them, but I think Frankie did an awesome job for the first time ever being on camera. I think he nailed it. Couple of things to note, we did use Adobe AI Audio Enhance to try to boost the voice and also isolate his voice specifically from the sounds of traffic, which it did a great job. And then just trying to find a soundtrack that really worked, we used Artlist to instill sort of Tampa's more, I wanna say Latin flavor, which I think worked out amazing. But anyways, if you're interested in how I do my real estate videos specifically or color grading, I do have a full course located on Pilot Institute. You can use code DOBO or the spring code to save $50 on that course. There will be a link in the description below, but that basically takes you soup to nuts of how I do my videos, edit photos, the whole nine. So if you're interested, it's there. I will see you in the next video. And as always, stay original.